Hey beauty lovers! Want that Korean glass skin glow without spending a fortune? Here's the ultimate organic hack that'll have your skin looking dewy and radiant in no time. Introducing the Rosewater and Aloe Vera Glow Boost. Just 1 tablespoon of pure rosewater and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Rosewater brightens and balances, while aloe vera delivers that intense hydration. Mix these magic ingredients together. Pat gently, don't rub, to let your skin soak up every drop of this glow-enhancing. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes, rinse with cool water, and get ready for that glassy glow. Your skin will look smooth, fresh, and absolutely flawless. Short-term effects, 1-2 weeks. With consistent use of the mask 2-3 times a week, you might start seeing improvements in skin hydration, brightness, and a more even texture. Loving your new glow? Hit that like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more glow-tastic tips.